Tornado warning in effect for Norman now. This is for a second circulation. It's saying for the one that's approaching more. This is a second circulation south of Newcastle. There we go. And there's circulation number 1, circulation number 2. It's broad, but it could tighten up. We could have another tornado down there.
Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
It's another hook.
9 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Newcastle, moving north.
Oh yeah, that's probably why they issued that warning.
Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar indicated trench rotation.
How many tornadoes do we have down right now in the country? We have like half dozen tornado warnings. 1 tornado emergency.
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include western Norman or Newcastle. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter. Safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying away.
That one may be more of a threat to Norman. I think that one's going to be the next source tornado.